Welcome back to TechCirrus-SG channel. I'm Vikram, and today we're breaking down the three key cloud service models, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, plus the three deployment types, private, public, and hybrid, that shape how clouds work. By the end, you'll confidently explain cloud basics and be ready for cloud career success. Before we dive in, a quick question to you all. Which one do you think powers Netflix, IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS? Type your guess in the comments right now. I'll reveal the answer later in the video. Let's understand cloud computing with a dining example. IaaS is like renting a kitchen where you get full control but must cook everything. PaaS is having a chef prepare your meal ingredients where you focus on the recipe but not the kitchen tools. SaaS is walking into a restaurant and ordering ready-made dishes but no kitchen work needed at all. Here is what you manage at each layer. With IaaS, you handle apps, data, runtime, and OS. With PaaS, you focus on managing apps and data only. With SaaS, everything's taken care of by the provider. You just use the software. Let's break down IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS further. IaaS provides virtualized computing resources where you rent virtual machines, storage, and networks, and have total control over software and configurations. Tools like Microsoft Azure VMs or AWS EC2 are popular examples. PaaS offers platforms for building and deploying apps without managing infrastructure. Think of Azure App Service or Google App Engine as an example where developers focus on code while the platform handles scaling and maintenance. SaaS delivers fully functional software over the internet. Few examples include Microsoft 365, Salesforce, and Google Workspace. You can just log in and get started with these softwares. Leave a comment below if you still have a question. Let's jump onto cloud deployment models now. Where your cloud lives matters. There are three deployment models, namely public cloud, which has shared infrastructure hosted by providers like Azure or AWS, cost-effective and scalable. Private cloud, which has dedicated environment for one organization, perfect for sensitive data and compliance. Hybrid cloud, which has a mix, letting you keep critical data private while using public resources for flexibility. For example, a hospital might store records privately but use public cloud email. Let's check out this quick table to see management responsibilities between vendor and user. Here, vendor represents your cloud provider like Microsoft Azure, AWS, or GCP. And few real-world examples are: first, startups lease IaaS servers to scale their infrastructure efficiently. Second, developers create and deploy applications using PaaS platforms. And third, businesses manage their email services through SaaS solutions. Leave a comment below if you have question related to any example. To wrap up and answer to the Netflix question, it's SaaS for the streaming service you use, but behind the scenes, they also leverage PaaS and IaaS for infrastructure and content delivery. If this video helped you, hit like, share with friends, and subscribe to TechCirrus-SG for more cloud basics and exam tips. See you in the next video.